Welcome, today I'm showing how to change screen recorder sound settings into your Realme 10. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and find on the bottom System Settings. Go into, here choose Screen Recording option, and here we got Sound Block option, so first option it's Record System Sound and Record Microphone Sound. If you wanna without sound your screen recording, so turn off these two options. And if you wanna, for example, record system sound and record microphone sound too, need to activate these options too. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.